Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Friends with Math. Today we will be learning a new topic and stay tuned for amazing tricks to remember the formula in seconds. And happy learning! So today our topic is total surface area of a cuboid. First let us understand the dimensions of a cuboid. This is a cuboid. It has length, breadth and height. And these are the abbreviations for length, breadth and height. So face, vertex and edges of a cuboid. Let us see what they are. So this is a cuboid and I have marked a red dot. So this is nothing but the vertex. In singular we say vertex. In plural we say vertices. So we can say vertex A, vertex B and so on. So you have about 8 vertices. And then you also have edges. Edges are A, B, B, C, C, D and so on. So we will have about 12 edges. Now let us see the face of the cuboid. So it has 6 faces. Face 1, face 2, face 3 which is opposite to face 1, face 4, then face 5 which is the bottom face and face 6 which is the upper face which is opposite to face 6. So now let us first calculate the area for phase 1 and phase 3. This is the cuboid that we just discussed. So phase 1 and phase 3, the dimensions here are length and height. So I have represented it separately, length and height. So the area of the phase 1 and phase 3 will be L into H. Similarly, the area of phase 2 and phase 4 will be since we have the dimensions B and H, it will be B into H. Then area for phase 5 and phase 6, this is the cuboid, phase 5 and phase 6. So the dimensions here are length and breadth. So the area will also be L into B. Therefore, the total surface area is represented by TSA and we will be adding the area of all the 6 faces. So we have L into H 2 times, that is the area of phase 1 and phase 3 are same. Then for area of phase 2 it is B into H and area of phase 4 is also B into H. Similarly area of phase 5 and phase 6 is L into B. So we can write this as 2 into LH plus 2 into BH plus 2 into LB. So we can also write it in this manner. And as I mentioned, for the total surface area, we will not be excluding any of the faces. So the unit of measurement is very important. It can either be centimeter square or meter square. Let us see when we have to use either of them. So if the unit of length, breadth and height is in meter, the unit of measurement will be meter square. If the unit of length, breadth and height is in centimeter, the unit of measurement will be centimeter square. Trick to remember total surface area of a cuboid. This is very interesting, so listen carefully. The total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. The first thing we need to remember is that 2. First we need to write 2 and then open the brackets. After that we need to remember few words like lal hai. So take the starting letter L and H and use it in the formula. Similarly, we need to remember Bahadur hai. Take B and H for the formula. Lastly, Lal Bahadur. So L and B are taken for the formula and then close the bracket. So you just have to remember Lal hai, Bahadur hai and Lal Bahadur. These are the words you have to remember in order to write the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned the topic easily today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again in another topic.